it's time to restore this wooden desk. Can you believe that these papers said in 1984? This was another yard sale find, and as you can see, it was in pretty rough condition. So the first thing I did was get my vacuum out and a few rags to clean it up. Once that was done, it was time to disassemble it, so I took out some screws to get that top off. As you can see, these pieces came apart, so we're gonna add some wood glue and let it cure. While I waited for the glue to dry, I decided to scuff sand the bottom as it was going to be painted. Now that the wood glue cured overnight, we're going to be using a 6th grit of sand on the top since we're going to stain it. Once everything was sanded, it was time to get to some stain, so I'm taping the top off because I'm going to paint the trim an espresso color and the top a different color. For the two tops of the desk, I'm going to go with some good Ipswich pine to provide some great contrast. While we waited for the stain to dry, it was time to paint. I decided to paint this a nice sage green. In total, it took about 4 coats to get that nice clean color. Once both the stain and the paint were dry, all we had to do was put it back together. This table was in pretty rough condition. It had a bunch of dust and a bunch of scratches. So after some new stain and some new paint, it looked like a new piece. Definitely one of my favorite restorations.